لا يزال الخير حيا لا يزال إن في الدنيا سلاما وظلال أخبر الأيام أنها في وصال قم بنا وانظر.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Naz Abdi. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And today we'll be making cupcakes, and we're going to be using butter. And the secret of getting a perfect moist cupcake is using the room temperature butter. And we're going to be measuring our butter. It's 150 grams and 100 grams of sugar. And then we're going to be measuring our dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, and salt. And we're using a sieve because we are preventing to get those lumps out of it. And then, as you can see, the room temperature butter is soft, but it's not too soft. So we're going to use a mixer to cream it until it's buttery and creamy and fluffy, or until you get the perfect consistency. Don't forget to scrape down your bowl every time so that you can combine everything and everything can be beaten by the mixer.
أبدا لن نحيد أبدا لن نحيد أبدا لن نحيد عن خطى الإيمان دربنا درب قويم دربنا درب قويم بالهدى القرآني.
And after that, you're going to add one egg at a time. We're using 3 eggs. And every time you add an egg, you beat, and then you add another one. You don't give it you don't beat too much out of it. And guys, this is the quickest way to make a fluffy cupcakes. Now after scraping it, as you can see, it's creamy and fluffy and it's trying to break down. Now we're going to be sieving our flour into it a little bit at a time. We'll be alternating the milk and the flour until we get the perfect consistency we're looking for. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to cook our cupcakes to 30 to 25 minutes. Everything we're using is room temperature. The milk, the eggs, everything is room temperature so that we get the perfect fluffy from the inside, and so that it doesn't crack too much on top of the pancake, of the cupcakes. Sorry. Don't mind the mess. If you're not making a mess, then you're not making a good cupcake. Just a joke. We'll be using about 1/4 cup of milk. And now we're going to add our last batch of the flour.
ندك العدا وقرآن ربي لنا موردا
And after adding all the flour, we're not going to beat it for too long so that we do not activate the gluten in the flour. So we're going to just mix it until it's well combined, and after that you're switching off the mixer. And now we're adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. And when everything is combined, don't forget to scrape the bowl. We're going to stop the machine. And now it's ready. The rest you can just mix it with your spatula. And as you can see, we don't really need to mix it too much because it is combined.
It is from the first known that.
And now you're going to use a full tablespoon of the butter and adding it to your cupcake pepper. If you're using a bigger cupcake size pepper, you can use 2 spoons depending the size of the cupcake you want. We're just adding where we feel we have put a little bit less, and now we're going to put it in our oven for 20 to 30 minutes. And after that, as you can see, it's perfect. It has risen nicely, and we're going to put a skewer inside just to see if it's well cooked from the inside. And as you can see, it's coming out clean. That means it's well cooked. And that's our cupcakes. If you want to frost it, I'm not so good with using the piping bag, but you can train, you can have fun frosting it with butter, with anything you would like on top of it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share with friends, try the recipe and let me know what you think and how it tastes.
يا إلهي أنت ربي ذو الجلال والإكرام يا إلهي فاعف عني واهدني ولا تتركني أرجو إليك فلا تكلني أنت حياتي وها مصيري أمشي في الصحراء وأنا أعمى أطلب الهدى منك حبيبي أكرم
That's the result of our cupcake. As you can see, the color is beautiful because of the eggs. It's yellowish, and inside it's fluffy and spongy and soft. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.